Hello students, I welcome you all for costing methods and techniques class. In previous class I had started with your fourth unit, that is marginal costing. Okay, and I had given you all the formulas relating to marginal costing. Okay, there is one small correction in the formulas. Yes, here. Eighth formula I had given amount of sales, fixed cost minus profit I had given. It is fixed cost plus profit divided by PV ratio. Okay, so there is correction. So before it was actually a typing mistake. Later I went through the like formulas, then I got to know. So please make it plus sign. Okay, yes. Now, so we are going to solve two problems today. Okay, so here is the problem. Given is the income statement of a company. Net sales 5 lakhs. From that expenses are deducted, that is variable as well as fixed. So expenses are more than the sales. So there is a net loss of 1 lakh rupees. So we need to compute PV ratio. Okay, then break even sales. If fixed expenses are increased by rupees 1 lakh, calculate break-even sales. What amount of sales will yield a net profit of rupees 50,000 with a proposal increase in fixed expenses? Okay, so this is what is the problem. So they have asked us to find out four things over here. First, we will concentrate on PV ratio. Okay, yes. Now, write down the solution. Now, PV ratio formula is what? Sales minus variable cost divided by sales. Okay, so write down the formula. Now, sales amount is 5 lakh, which is already given in the problem. 5 lakh minus variable cost is 3 lakh 50,000. Okay, divided by sales is again 5 lakhs. Fine. Okay. Now calculate this. That is equals to 0.3. So PV ratio is 0.3. Okay. Now next they have asked us to find out break-even sales. It means we need to find it in amount. Okay, because they have given us the information in amount. So BEP in amount, that is equals to, now fixed cost is also given in the problem. Fixed cost is 2,50,000. 2,50,000 divided by PV ratio is how much? 0.3. Right? So that is equals to 8,33,333. 8 lakh, you can write here rupees 8,33,333. Okay, hope so everybody is understanding this. Only the thing is you will have to remember the formulas. If you know the formulas, you can calculate it very easily. Okay, now next, if fixed expenses are increased by rupees 1 lakh, calculate break-even sales. Now earlier, fixed cost was 2,50,000. Okay, it was 2,50,000. Now what they have told us, if it is increased by 1 lakh, it means it will be 3,50,000. Got it? How we got 3,50,000? It is 2,50,000 plus 1 lakh. Okay. So divided by 3,50,000 divided by PV ratio is 0.3. So that will be equal to 11 lakh 66,666. 11 lakh 66,666. Okay, so it is recurring again 66. You can take it as 67 as well. So again this is rupees. Okay, hope so everybody has understood this. It is very simple problem. Okay, now next is what they have asked. What amount of sales will yield a net profit of rupees 50,000 with a proposed increase in fixed expenses? Now, how much amount? It means we need to find out sales when we can earn profit as 50,000. Okay, if we increase it in the fixed expenses. Okay, now they have asked us to find out sales. So amount of sales formula has to be used because we know fixed cost and we know how much is profit they have given. If we want to earn 50,000 as profit, how much will be our sales, right? So fixed cost is 2,50,000 plus profit is 50,000. Profit is 50,000 divided by PV ratio already we have calculated, divided by 0.3. Okay, that will be equal to 13,33,333 rupees. It means when sales is 13,33,333, profit will be 50,000. So like this they have given. Okay, hope so this problem is clear to everyone. Okay, so what we have done? First we have calculated PV ratio. So formula is sales minus variable cost divided by sales. So sales and variable cost was given in the problem. So we have calculated a PV ratio. Now they have asked us to find out BP, that is break even point in amount. Okay, so formula is, I have told you all, like we have many formulas, like 12 to 13 formulas I had given, but you will have to check which formula is suitable. So depending on the information you will have to apply the formula. Okay, so break even point in amount, that is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. So fixed cost is already given, PV ratio we have calculated. Next, now here why we have taken 3,50,000 in the sense they have given, like if suppose if fixed cost is increased by 1 lakh, it means earlier it was 2,50,000 and which is increased by 1 lakh. Okay, so it is 3,50,000. So when it is increased, then that is BP will be 11,66,666. Same like when we want to earn 50,000 profit, what will be our sales? So fixed cost we know, formula you have to apply, fixed cost plus profit divided by PV ratio. Hope so this problem is clear to everyone. We are going to see one more problem. Okay, now the sales turnover and profit during the 2 years are as follows. Now 2 years information is given of sales and profit. Year is 2018 and 19. Sales and profit is given. Now you are required to calculate PV ratio. Okay, then break even point, then the sales required to earn profit of rupees 40,000, then profit when sales is rupees 2,50,000, variable cost of 2 periods, then margin of safety at the profit of rupees 50,000. So this is what is you will have to ascertain. Okay. Now first we will find out PV ratio. Now in previous problem we have applied the formula as sales minus variable cost divided by sales. Right. This was the formula to find out PV ratio. But in this problem they haven't given us what is variable cost, right? But what we can understand is they have given information of 2 years, that is 2018 and then 2019. Now sales information is given of both the years, profit information is given of both the years. Now depending on this we need to see which formula is applicable for this. Now one formula I had given, like change in profit divided by change in sales, will give you PV ratio, change in profit divided by change in sales. So this already I have given in previous class. Please go through the formulas if you have not seen. Okay, now write down the formula. PV ratio is equals to change in profit divided by change in sales. Okay, so that is equal to, now change in profit. Change in profit in the sense, now check here. Profit for the year 2018 is 20,000. Now profit for the year 2019 is 25,000. Now how much it is increased? 5,000. So the difference between profit of both the years is 5,000. So change in profit is 5,000. Okay. Now divided by change in sales. Same like difference we need to find out. Yes. Now sales here. For the year 2018 it is 1,50,000 and for the year 2019 it is 1,70,000. So find out the difference. So the difference is how much? By, it is increased by 20,000. Right? So PV ratio will be 0.25. Hope so this is clear to everyone. Okay, we are not applying same formula in each and every problem because the information given in each problem will be different. In the previous problem they had given sales value, they had given variable cost value, they had given fixed cost, right? So we had applied that formula. Now in this problem they haven't given us they haven't given us variable cost, so we have applied change in profit divided by change in sales. So the PV ratio is 0.25. Okay, now second point is we need to find out BP. We need to find out BP. Now formula to find out BP is fixed cost divided by PV ratio, right? Now if we don't know what is BP, we don't know how much is fixed cost. So first what we will do is we will have one working note, that is calculation of fixed cost, because we don't know how much is fixed cost. Understanding? Yes. Now any of the years you can take, okay, to find out fixed cost. Now we will take off 2018. We will take off 2018. Now we need to find out fixed cost. If we want to know how much is fixed cost, we need to know another two variables which is available, right? So this formula can be applied to find out fixed cost. Okay. Now what is the formula? Amount of sales is equals to fixed cost plus profit divided by PV ratio. Okay, so only this formula will help us to find out that is fixed cost. Now amount of sales, any year's sales you can take. It is 15 lakhs or 1,50,000. It is 1,50,000. Okay, 1,50,000. is equals to, now fixed cost we don't know, we will keep it as it is. Fixed cost we don't know, plus profit of that particular year we need to take. Now we have taken off 2018, so 2018 profit only we need to take, that is 20,000 divided by PV ratio already we have calculated, that is 0.25. Understanding everyone? Hope so this problem is clear. Okay. Now we have to just keep on simplifying this. Okay. So 1,50,000. This PV ratio 0.25, when we take it this side, it becomes multiplication. So that is equals to fixed cost plus fixed cost plus profit is 20,000. So this will be 37,500 is equals to fixed cost plus 20,000. Now 37,500, this is plus 20,000. When we take it this side, it becomes minus 20,000. That is equals to fixed cost. Okay. So that is 17,500 is equals to fixed cost. 17,500 is equals to fixed cost. Hope so this problem is clear to everyone, as we don't know how much is fixed cost. So this formula we have applied to find out fixed cost. Now come to the point, second point. Now fixed cost we know, that is 17,500 divided by PV ratio. Also we know PV ratio is 0.25. Yes. So that will be equal to rupees 70,000. Rupees 70,000. Hope so everybody is understanding. Okay. Now third point, what they have asked. The sales required to earn profit rupees 40,000, like previous one. Same, like we need to solve this also. Like in previous problem we have solved this particular point. And that is equals to fixed cost. Already we have calculated 17,500. They have told when profit is 40,000, how much will be your sales? So profit we are going to take 40,000 divided by PV ratio is 0.25. PV ratio is 0.25. Okay, hope so everybody is understanding this. Now this is rupees 2,30,000. 2,30,000. Okay. Now next point is profit when sales is rupees 2,50,000. So when sales is rupees 2,50,000, we need to find out the profit. So already they have given us sales. So sales is 2,30,000. Fixed cost is 17,500. So same formula we can apply and find out how much will be the profit. Divided by PV ratio 0.25. Okay. Now same like calculation, 2,30,000 into 0.25 is equals to 17,500 plus profit. Now this is 57,500 is equals to, you can guess like profit will be 40,000 only, but we have to show the calculation over here. Okay, so 57,500 minus 17,500 is equals to profit. So that is 40,000 is equals to profit. Okay, hope so everybody has understood this. Now again go through the problem. Next is variable cost of 2 periods. So we need to find out variable cost. Now go through the formulas whatever I have given. Check what is the formula to calculate variable cost. Now this has to be calculated for both the years they have told. So 2018 we will calculate first. Now sales for 2018 is 1,50,000. 1,50,000 into 1 minus PV ratio is 0.25. So that will be equal to 1,12,500. Variable cost is 1,12,500. Now for 2019 we will calculate. 2019 is equals to, now sales for 2019 is 1,70,000 into 1 minus PV ratio is 0.25. So that will be equal to 1,27,500. Hope so everybody is understanding. Now next what they have asked us to find out. Next is margin of safety at the profit of rupees 50,000. At the profit of rupees 50,000. So margin of safety formula is profit divided by PV ratio, that is equals to profit already they have given. When profit is 50,000, how much will be margin of safety they have asked. So PV ratio is again 0.25. So that is equals to margin of safety is 20,000. Sorry, it is 2 lakh. margin of safety is 2 lakh. Okay, hope so this problem is clear to everyone. Go through the problem, go through the formulas. Okay, solve it again so that it will be clear to everyone. Please go through or by heart the formulas whatever I have given. Okay, yes, now in another class we will be solving few more problems on marginal costing, and then we will start with your fifth unit. Another, I guess another 2 classes I need to complete your fourth unit. Your work is to go through the problem and practice those problems whatever we have solved. Okay, so see you in next class.